Random math problem number 105. So ang question na ito ay ipiniem sa akin sa aking messenger. So kung meron kayong math question, PM nyo lang po ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado, or comment kayo sa video na ito. Okay, so 3 men and 10 women together can do a work in 15 days while 5 men and 8 women together can do the same work in 12 days. If 4 women work together, then it will take how much time to complete the whole work? Okay, so ito ay work problem na gagamitan natin ng magkakaroon tayo ng system of equations dito. Okay, so pause nyo muna ang video at try nyo sagutan. So ang mga choices 72, 80, 78, and 74. So sagutan na natin. Ang formula ng work problem ay 1 over A plus 1 over B kapag dalawahan equals 1 over, let's say, T, 4 together. So itong formula na to ang gagamitin natin. Okay? So ang sabi dito, 3 men. Pero may quantity dito yung men tsaka yung women. So ang parang magiging A natin dito tsaka yung B, yung men tsaka women. So ang gagamitin nating formula ay 1 over M para sa men plus 1 over women equals 1 over T for together. Pero ang sabi sa problem, 3 men. So imbis na 1 over M, ang gagawin natin ay magiging 3 over M. Okay? Kasi sabi 3 men. Okay? So hanapin natin yung rate ni men. Pero sa problem pa lang hinahanap rate ni women. Okay? So 3 over M plus imbis na 1 over W gagawin natin 10 kasi may number dito na 10 women. So magiging 10 over W is equal to together can do a piece of work in 15 days. So therefore 1 over T is 1 over 15. This will be our equation number 1. Okay? So for equation number 2, so we have 5 men. 5 men and 8 women together. Okay? So therefore equation number 2 is 5 over M plus we have 8 women. So we have 8 over W equals together can do the same work in 12 days. So in 12 days, so therefore we have 1 over 12. So this will be our equation number 2. So the question is if 4 women work together, then it will take how much time to complete the whole work? Assuming na same ang rate ng bawat men and women. So all we have to do is solve the value of W, and then after finding the value of 4W, we will multiply it to 4. Okay? Or we will find the rate of the 4 women using inverse variation because this is work problem. So 4 women. Okay? So now we will just use elimination to solve this. We want to find it will take how much time to complete the whole work if 4 women work together. So we want to find the value of W. So we will cancel this M. We will cancel the M or eliminate the M so that we can solve the W. So we will use the elimination method. We will so we have 3 over M here and then 5 over M. So to eliminate this M, we will multiply the equation number 1, multiply by the coefficient of the second equation, multiply by 5. And then the equation 2, we will multiply by the coefficient of the numerator, multiply by 3. Okay? Or we can multiply the denominator by negative so that we can cancel if we add this. Okay? So let's multiply. So okay, so we have 5 times 3 over M. So we have 15 over M. Or sorry, 15 over M plus distribute this 5 times 10 over W. So we have 50 over W is equal to 5 times 1 over 15. So we have 5 over 15 and then we can reduce this to lowest term. 5 over 15 divide both by 3. So if we or divide both by 5. If we divide both by 5, this will become 1 over 3. Okay, so for the equation number 2, multiply each term by negative 3. So negative 3 times 5, we have negative 15 over M. Okay, and then minus 3 times 8, so we have negative 24 over W equals negative 3 over 12. And then we can reduce this to lowest term. Negative 3 over 12, we can divide both by 3. divide by 3. So the numerator will become 1. 12 divided by 3. So we have 4. Now, we will just add this. Okay, so let's add this. So 15 over m minus 15 over m. So we can cancel this. Then, add this 50 over w plus negative 24 over w. So we have same denominator of w. So just subtract the numerator 50 minus 24. That is equal to 26 over w equals. Okay, so let's subtract this. 1/3 minus 1/4. So to subtract this, we just need to convert to similar fraction. What is the LCD? Just multiply 3 times 4. So the LCD is 12. So let's convert this to a denominator of 12. So convert to a denominator of 12. 12 divided by 3, that is 4 times 1, so we have 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1, so we have 3. Then subtract 4 over 12 minus 3 over 12, that is 1 over 12. And then, we can now solve for W, just cross multiply. W times 1, that is equal to W equals 26 times 12. So let's just do that manually. 26 times 12. So 2 times 26, that is 52. 1 times 26, we have 26. Bring down 2. 5 plus 6, we have 11. 1 plus 2, we have 3. So therefore, one woman can do it in 312 days if one woman. But the question is, if 4 women work together. So, one woman can do it in 312. So, if 4 women, we will just divide this into 4. Okay? So, because there are 4 women. So, therefore, the correct answer is 312 divided by 4. That is equal to 31 divided by 4. We have 7. 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, we have 3. Bring down to 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Therefore, the correct answer is 78 days, letter C. Assuming that all the women have the same rate. That's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have, again, if you have math question, just comment on this video or send a message on my messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.